Hey, do I have something to tell you?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Blah, 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 blah. Yap, yap, yap.
Settle down.
Okay, guys, I have a very, very important message coming to you for the year of 2025. Today, when I clicked into Facebook, of course, I was on the internet because I use Facebook online. All these weird pop-ups came up and it stated that it was from Microsoft and that Microsoft had blocked my computer because my IP address was used at a different location onto a site that was unauthorized. And no matter what I tried to do, I could not get this off of my computer. Now, it states that alarming, very loud alarming voices, do not restart your computer because if you do, you could lose important information. I checked the security of Microsoft and everything was perfect. And then it showed 2 telephone numbers on the pop-ups. It was the same telephone number, toll free, and to call and talk to Microsoft. Now, number one, I've been using Microsoft for damn near thousands of years, okay? All right, so it haven't existed that long. But I've been using Microsoft for a long time. And I happen to know Microsoft will charge you money to use their products, but they will not protect you from threats like this. They don't contact you. They don't call you. They don't block your computer from getting these pop-ups from these scammers and everything. And so I know this for a fact. Now, I did start to panic, but I was not panicking enough to click on anything or to call a telephone number that was listed on these pop-ups. I go onto the internet from my phone, find the page for Microsoft, and I call them directly if I have a problem or need to talk to somebody about it. Now, I restarted the computer twice and the computer, everything came back up normal. But then, of course, when I clicked into my internet browser, the same thing was still up there. Now, I have my own personal ways of checking to find out or to get an idea what's going on. So what I did was I also use Super Anti-Spyware. Now, I'm not saying this for you guys to use it. This is what I've always used, the free version. And I did a scan, and the only thing that came up on the scan was regular tracking cookies. So I knew that wasn't the problem. Since it was an internet related issue, because it popped up when I clicked onto Facebook, I decided to uninstall the web browser. Uninstall it, just take it completely out of the system, and then reinstall it again. And it worked perfect. I have not had a problem with the pop-ups since. What I'm telling you is not going to work if you get Microsoft scam pop-up directly on your computer. This was related to the internet, and what I did is what I just told you. I uninstalled the program and reinstalled it brand new, and I haven't had a problem since. Now, if you guys ever run across this problem where it is related or connected to the internet, uninstall the internet browser and reinstall it. You have to shut your computer down first because those pop-ups cover the whole screen and you're not able to navigate anywhere. I am so sorry if you are working on a project or in the middle of a project, you're going to lose all access to it, but you're going to lose it anyway. The way these pop-ups cover your computer screen, there is no way to get out of it. So you have to turn your computer off and restart it. I had to shut the computer down manually and then restart it. And then once I restarted the computer, I was able to navigate the computer. And since I know for a fact that it was associated with the internet, I uninstalled the browser and reinstalled it. The problem was gone. So I'm telling you guys, look, this isn't a new scam, but scams are hitting at the first of the year. I want you guys to be careful and diligent about how you protect yourself on the internet. It's hard not to panic. And sometimes these scammers and these scams can catch you off guard, especially if the scam that they are shooting at you hit close to home or is affiliated associated with some of your own personal business, but I'm telling you, it's okay to panic because you don't know what's going on, but don't panic to the point where you start clicking into stuff and calling numbers. And there is a way to check what's going on with your affairs by contacting the company directly. So please, guys, please be careful. I know you know this already, but sometimes when we're not thinking, we can run into a problem like this. I mean, we work hard for what we attain in our life, and it's very hurtful. And sometimes people never recover when something like this happens and your identity is stolen, your money is stolen. Take note of what's going on. And like I said, do your own personal investigation before you start clicking on anything. Because I'm telling you, Microsoft loves your money, but do not love you enough to protect you from scams like this. With everything that's going on with AI and technology and their technology, they could do more than what they're doing. They will tell you to report it. You shouldn't have to report it. As much as you pay for their apps and software and so forth, they should automatically have something there to protect you. They're constantly coming out with these different systems, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 12, etc., etc., etc. And every time they come out with something new, it's more money that you have to pay to keep their service. But they do not protect you like that. They will never call you. They will never send you a message. They will never send you an email or anything. So if you receive something, if something like this happens to you and it pops up while you're on the internet, just shut the computer down manually and uninstall the program. Uninstall the internet program and reinstall it again. And this should settle your problem immediately. I want you guys to have a good year. I want you to be safe, and always thank you for watching.